Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In our previous session, we show what is JIRA and why we should use JIRA, right? And now, in this video, we are going to see how we can set up our JIRA instance so that we can start to use JIRA software for our project. So, I have an agenda for this video. So, let's see what we will learn. We will learn type of JIRA instance, what is the difference between server and cloud instance, and then how to create cloud instance of JIRA. Basically, there are the two types of JIRA instances. First one is cloud and the second one is server. I will tell you what is the difference between the cloud and the server instance and which one you should use if you are beginner to learn about the JIRA software. So here I will discuss the cloud instance first. So what is cloud instance? In the cloud instance, rather than installing the maintaining your product on your own server, Atlassian hosts and set up your JIRA application on cloud for you. So this is the cloud instance, and according to me, this is the best instance for the beginners who want to learn from the very beginning. It is very fast because it is easy to set up and get it started in a minute. As soon as you sign up, you can start working and inviting the team member. Later, I will explain how you will create the cloud instance, and the second one is reduce cost. Yes, because it helps you to save money on the physical hardware maintenance, installation supports, and any other hidden administrator cost as well, because this is a cloud instance, so everything is on cloud. There is known to be at least at the cost of your own hardware. Third one is no need to upgrade. Yes, because on cloud you get the immediate access to the latest version of JIRA, so there is no need to upgrade the cloud instance. And the fourth one is security. It is very secure because Atlassian take the responsibility to maintain the security and compliances of your database and organization. So I described the benefit of the cloud instance, but I want to tell you one more thing about you will not have the direct access to change the database structure, file system, or another server infrastructure, because you have a cloud instance and the Atlassian already set up your cloud instance. So they will not give you administrative access. Let's learn about the server instance. What is the server instance? In the server instance, basically you install hosts and run the Atlassian product on your own hosting environment. So basically, the server instance, those team will prefer want to manage all the details their own and are able to handle the complexity of setting up and hosting the product on their own server. So if your organization is very big and you have the department of the administrator, they can manage the administrative tasks of your JIRA or the server. Then you can go with the server version. But if you are working in a startup and you want to learn your own, then go with the cloud one. I already told you it is very easy to set up and everyone can access it from anywhere. But in the server instance, maybe the organization installed it on the internal environment, so you would not be able to access it outside the organization. But the cloud instance you can access anywhere. Maybe the people who are using the server one, they will see some difference in UI because the cloud and the server UI is different. In the server, we have the navigation on the top, but in the cloud, we have the navigation in the left hand side, and many more other difference in the UI. So now let's move forward and see how can I create the cloud instance of JIRA. So for creating the cloud instance of JIRA, let's go to the Atlassian website. So this is the Atlassian official website, www.atlassian.com. Once you will click on the product tab, then you can see the complete list of the Atlassian product. But here we will go with the JIRA software. So now click on JIRA software. It will take you on this page. You can try it for free. So once you will click on try it free, then this is the cloud one. You can see you can go with any of the package. So I will go here with this one. So let's create the account here. So I will use my ID and you can click on agree and sign up. Once you will done with this sign up process, then you will see this screen. If you want to select what type of team with do you work in, but for now I am skipping this. And now you can invite your team with the help of the email address. If you will enter the email address here and send the invitation, then the people will get the email and they can accept and use this environment and this JIRA instance. For now I am skipping this, and here they will ask, are you new to this JIRA or are you already experienced with JIRA? Then you can find out, but for now I am skipping it. This will be the next page. Here you can see there are the two types of templates are available, and first one is the classic template and the second one is next gen template. You can see there Kanban, Scrum and the bug tracking. Three templates are available, and these three templates comes under the software category. So that's it for this lecture. This is the process where you can create the cloud instance. If you have any doubt or any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to clear your all doubts. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.